The Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 Ti is here, the latest entry in the Blackwell RTX 50 series. Replacing both the original 4070 Ti and the 4070 Ti Super, it aims to deliver a solid upgrade at a more appealing price point. Launching at $749, $50 cheaper than its predecessors, it's hitting the sweet spot for many gamers. But can it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Comparing the 5070 Ti to its direct predecessors, we see incremental improvements. It boasts 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, faster memory speeds, and increased bandwidth. While the transistor count and die size are similar to the 4070 Ti Super, architectural enhancements and new features like FP4 tensor support and MFG or multi-frame generation are key differentiators. On paper, it matches the 4070 Ti Super in compute performance, but real-world results will tell the full story. If you're coming from a 30 series or earlier, this is a substantial upgrade. Nvidia touts MFG as a game changer, claiming it can double performance. But let's be realistic. While MFG can boost frame rate significantly, the actual feel and perceived smoothness do vary. Expect more like a 50 to 80% improvement, not a consistent doubling. Nvidia's claim that MFG makes the 5070 Ti twice as fast is gross exaggeration. We're still conducting in-depth MFG testing, but initial impressions suggest that it's beneficial, but not a magic bullet. The RTX 5070 Ti shares the same Blackwell architecture as the 5080 and 5090, including full FP4 support for AI tasks and upgraded display outputs with DisplayPort 2.1 UHBR20. All CUDA cores now fully support FP32 and INT32, enhancing performance across various workloads. The 5070 Ti uses a cut-down version of the GB203 GPU, ensuring efficient use of chip production. With a 300-watt TGB, it's slightly more power-hungry than the 4070 Ti Super, but still manageable. It uses the 12-volt 2x6 power connector, aiming to avoid the issues seen with the 5090. Performance-wise, the 5070 Ti offers a decent step up from the 4070 Ti, but it's more of an incremental upgrade from the 4070 Ti Super. For those on older GPUs, the 5070 Ti provides a significant boost. At lower resolutions, CPU limitations may come into play, but for most gamers, investing in a $750 plus GPU, high settings are the goal. If you're already on a 4070 Ti Super or even a 4070, this generation might be an easy skip. The RTX 5070 Ti launches on February 20th, 2025. While Nvidia anticipates better availability than the 5090 and 5080, initial demand will likely outstrip supply. Expect prices to fluctuate in the short term. The $749 MSRP is a welcome change, but real-world pricing may vary. Keep an eye out for base MSRP models, as higher price variants will follow. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 Ti offers a solid upgrade with new features and improved performance at a competitive price. While MFG's impact may be overstated, the overall package is compelling. If you're looking for a powerful GPU that balances performance and price, the 5070 Ti is a strong contender. But as always, consider your current setup and needs before making the leap. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy gaming!